How do we select the products that we have at Jackie Michelle? We shop the markets from New York to LA. We leave Hollywood right out because we don't follow Hollywood. We follow Boulder, and we buy for the Boulder lifestyle and our Boulder neighbors. You'll find something new every time you come in. We never repeat the same thing more than 3 times. So if you like it, you better grab it when you're there. Jackie Michelle supports local designers, craftsmen, and jewelers. We've got dresses, jewelry, and some gifts from local Boulder artists and craftsmen. We do like to support them, and that keeps us relevant to our neighborhood. Some of our favorite dresses come from a local dressmaker. She sells to Jackie Michelle and to several shops in Brooklyn, New York as well. Our local dressmaker can adapt her designs to fit you in a very personal way. We love having her around, and you'll love having her dress. Stop by and see us. We'd love to see you, and we know you'll love what you see in our store.